Acid versus alkaline diet. Our body's internal system needs a pH of just above 7.0. Our immunologic, enzymatic and repair mechanisms all function at their best in this alkaline range. If our body becomes overacidic, i.e. under a pH of 7, you may start to experience a combination of these symptoms. Low energy, fatigue, nasal congestion, hives, muscle pain, weak nails, dry skin, dry hair, frequent colds, flu and infection, headaches. If you have these symptoms and eat foods which create acid in the body, you may need to balance it with an alkaline diet. What foods cause acid in the body? There is a whole list of foods that cause the body to be overacidic: dairy and dairy substitutes, animal meat, most grains, chickpeas, condiments, aspartame, prunes, chocolate, peanuts, alcohol and quite a few other types of foods. To balance your pH, the remedy is simple and logical: eat more alkaline-causing foods. To name but a few of these foods, there is watermelon, lime, mango, most vegetables, vegetable juices, almonds, sprouts, avocados and green tea. When your body becomes more alkaline, the changes that will take place are truly amazing. It will seem magical, but it's all perfectly normal. You will feel how we all have the right to feel, we just don't know it. Benefits include rapid weight loss, increased energy, the need for less sleep, improved skin and hair condition, better mental attitude. Are these benefits worth pursuing? I think so, and you are crazy if you don't agree with me. Fortunately, it is not hard to slowly alkalize your body. Take it one day at a time, add more and more green food to your diet, reduce the number of cups of coffee you have every day and you'll soon reap the benefits. This video has been made in Content Samurai. Try it out for free when you click on the link below.